All right. Hi, everybody. How's it going? I see people in the chat. Hi, Vincent. I recognize you from Discord. Um, Let me change the layout a bit. Amazing. Okay, I'll remove the banner because we are starting now. So let's remove that. And yep, hi. How's it going? I am streaming after a while and I'm super excited to be here. And this is the first time I'm conducting an opening ceremony alone for an FPH. So I'm very excited about that. Can I see a hi in the chat from people? How's it going? How excited are you? Okay, I see Tanmay in the chat. Hi Tanmay, how's it going for you? Hi Vincent. So personally, I enjoy hackathons a lot, and especially FPHs because I get to stream, I get to interact with you all, and I get to see some awesome projects every single weekend. And if I were not a coach, I would be participating in these events. For the events I don't staff, I generally try to be here. Hi Kunal. Hello. Heard badly. Okay. Uh, All right, so we have a bunch of people here and we are right on time. Um, I see some questions in the chat. We'll be answering the questions later on during the Q&A session. I can see people over here. So without any further ado, welcome to High School Hacks, everyone. It's from May 26th to 28th, and you're here at the opening ceremony with me, and I'll be welcoming you. I'll be accompanying you this weekend. Um, all right. So, when we talk about me, who am I? Let's give a small introduction. Hi everyone, I'm Deekshita Verma. I am one of the coaches at Major League Hacking. I just graduated from BTech. I mean, it's been only a week that I've finished everything. And fun fact, I'm not just a tech person, I'm also a makeup artist. So I have like loads of creativity filled in me, and I love building and creating different projects. If you want to reach out to me, I have. I am Deekshita Verma on Instagram, Twitter, everywhere. That's a unique name, so you can find me very easily. And right now, you're here at a hosted by MLH Hackathon. I see people interacting in the chat, which is fun. Um, so we host these hackathons every single weekend to ensure you always have an event to attend, which is a very fun thing for sure because you know what, if I'm free this weekend, if I want to explore something, I know that MLH is organizing some hackathon which I can be a part of, and I can make a new project in it, build on a new framework or build on a new theme. And we are very excited to have you with us. So each of our events have a theme, like I said, but it is only here for inspiration. It's not like you have to build strictly on it. We're just giving you a small ignition to build something, and rest is on you whether you want to, build directly on it, build something different, build something fun. Just the main agenda is to have fun, to create, to innovate, and to learn. So, with this, welcome to High School Hacks. And this weekend, irrespective of wherever you're hacking from, we welcome you to join this event. High School Hacks is for you to explore technologies and innovate together. Um, Definitely, like this is something which I personally do, that at every hackathon I pick up a tool which I'm not aware of beforehand, so I get to explore that tool and I get to have fun with it, and it seems very interesting and just fun in general. I see people in the chat. Hello. uh okay, I don't know your name, so I'm going to ignore that. Hi Arman, how's it going? I'm amazing, how are you? And no, you're not late. I've just started. Uh, Amazing. That sounds fun. So, like I said, explore new technology, innovate together, have fun, meet new people. That's what hackathons are about, and that's how what I love about hackathons for sure. So feel free to hack on whatever you'd like, but focus on making friends and having fun, like I said. And starting right now, MLHs are online at all hours to make sure that this event and this weekend is successful for you. We are here to assist you, help you, and just have fun with you and interact with you. So you can come to us for anything. It could be questions, concerns, or just ping us that hey, I'm getting bored, and we'll definitely sit with you, have fun at Hanker Hangouts, otherwise on Discord channel as well. So meet your MLHers. I'm here. Hi, I'm Dikshita. We also have Zain and Ajit who will be active throughout this weekend, and one of us will be online at one point and make sure that you get as much assistance you need and to help you out with everything. But what is major league hacking? There might be new people, there might be people who are participating in their first FPH and you don't know what major league hacking is. We are a global hacker community, and we have over 500,000 hackers just like you, and being a part of this event, you have joined this particular community. And not just that, you've won community points for your school, university, or college. You can win these community points by being at our member events, by attending global hack weeks, or by being part of MLH hackathons just like this one. And in the end of the season, we give you the school with the highest points gets a season end trophy. But speaking about global hack weeks, we have one coming very, very soon. So join us at our next global hack week, which is the security week, if I'm not wrong. Global hack weeks are like week-long hack week-long festivals where you build um on different tools, have fun activities, and interact with streamers and coaches and full-time employees as well. So it's a lot of fun and it's a lot of new innovation. So check it out at ghw.mlh.io, and yeah, have fun with us. So what exactly is happening at High School Hacks? Now that's the important question, right? Because we are here at their opening ceremony. So the next 48 hours we have a lot of activities planned for you. I mean, we're not going to let you get bored. We will have fun with you, we'll talk to you, we'll make sure that you get the best of your time and have fun this weekend. So use this time to learn, share, make friends, build with new people, and we have some fun mini events planned for you, of course. So join us at the ones which are friendly to your time zone. Now I know mini events are very fun. Mini events excite you to be up till late or just mess up your schedule. Let's not do that. Feel free to attend the ones which are friendly to your time zone, and we'll make sure that we accommodate everybody. Uh, so the first one we have is team formation activity, which will be starting soon after this stream, and this will be conducted by Zane. So make sure that you join and have like find teams to work with this weekend. It's the timings are mentioned here. Timings are also mentioned on the schedule. So make sure that you check that out, and make sure that you also check in at hackp.ac/highschoolhacks. There you can find the schedule and further information that you need. Let me just type it out in the chat for you. hackp.ac/highschoolhacks. Amazing. So next fun activity is what's in the box, and I will be seeing you at this activity tomorrow 1 p.m. IST. The other time zones are mentioned here down below as well as in a schedule, so make sure that you check that and have fun, join me, and we'll figure out what's in the box. We also have our friends from Code Day, and Code Day is a non-profit organization, and they'll be conducting a mini event on teachable machines. So that's tomorrow, Saturday, 9:30 p.m. IST, and also the other time zones, which are again mentioned in the schedule. But how do I get to know other hackers this weekend? Now I know there are a lot of hackers who already know each other, but let's say I am attending a FPH for the first time and it's digital. How do I get to know more people? So Don't worry, we've got everything covered for you, okay? So we have hacker hangouts, which will be happening throughout the weekend on Discord, where you can join chit chat with MLHers with different hackers and just have fun and discuss whatever you want to with them. So join us on Friday at 9 p.m. Eastern time and on Saturday at 10 p.m. Eastern time. uh, just sit with us and have fun and talk to us. That's one of my most favorite activities to do. I love talking. I think you might have figured by now that I talk a lot. So that's a fun thing. But speaking of Discord, what else do we need to know this weekend? So, hosted by MLH Hackathons, just like High School Hacks, take place on MLH Community Discord. So, make sure that you are on our community Discord and you can join that. Like, Discord is where you'll be asking questions, chatting with us, meeting the community, and attending fun events. So, join us at discord.mlh.io. I will also add this in the comment because that's where you'll get all the information about the hackathon and interact with us. So this is just an example of when you join discord.mls.io, you have to go to head channels and roles and select high school hacks. That's how you'll get accessibility to all the hackathon information and channels related to high school hacks for this weekend, and let us know that you're here so that we can send you swag, because that's something a lot of people are interested in knowing about. So to just register at hackp.ac slash high school hacks. I've already mentioned it in the chat and it's also available on our Discord, so you can register. Make sure that you check in at hackp.ac slash high school hacks check in, and update your address at hackp.ac slash address, because that's how we know that we're sending this back to the right address. So make sure that your address is updated over there, so that there's no mess up. And now, what tools are available this weekend? So I know the fun activities, I know the schedule, but what do I use to build this weekend? What is something new that I get to explore? So we have most creative use of GitHub. You can win a GitHub swag bundle, and all you have to do is use GitHub in your hack to qualify. Make sure that you have a repo, make sure that you use it creatively. It could be GitHub pages, command line, anything that you want, and just, you know what? Uh, okay, sorry. I was looking at the chat, so we will figure out. We'll take up the questions after this, but use GitHub and win a swag bundle if you get the most creative use of GitHub title. We also have best use of MongoDB Atlas. Um, MongoDB is one of my favorite database tools, and I really like mixing it up with my websites. So you can get started for free. There's no credit card required to use MongoDB, and you get a M5 Go starter kit, which is a very fun kit. I wish I could participate in this hackathon. We also have free.tech domain name. Now I have my website, I have my backend, I have it on GitHub, but I want my GitHub pages to be linked to a fun domain name. So that's why we have domain.com with us. And all you have to do is come up with a very creative domain name, and you can get this prize. Use the weekend code 123 hacking. We also have all of this information available on Discord already, but I'm just repeating it for you. We also have best accessibility hack. Uh, by Fidelity, you can win a Fidelity branded wireless charger. And in case you want to know more about it, just go to hackp.ac slash fidelity to know how to use it in your hackathon project. And we also have Auth0. Auth0 is a very fun authentication tool. There's again no credit card required to integrate it in your project, and you win a tumbler, Rubik's cube, and sticker. Like, that's super cool. My brother would be so excited if I won that Rubik's cube. He'll definitely take it from me. But you can go to hackp.ac slash auth0, sign up and figure it out. So, just summing it all up for you, we have best use of MongoDB Atlas, best domain name from domain.com, best use of Auth0, most creative use of GitHub, best accessibility hack sponsored by Fidelity. I see a man in the chat talking about Rubik's Cube. My brother is literally very crazy about it, so I have to hide all my Rubik's Cube from him. But apart from these sponsor prizes, we also have overall prizes. Um, we have best beginner hack, which goes to the best team of beginners. We also have the most fun hack. Let's see how much fun you have this weekend, where your creativity takes you, and who would win the fun hack prize. Apart from that, we also have first overall, second overall, third overall, and we have some very, very fun prizes to each title. I mean, I wish I were a part of this hackathon. I see Nishu in the chat saying it would be fun if MLHs hack with us. I mean, okay, if I'm not staffing a hackathon, I'm definitely going to participate in an FPH for sure. At least next month, I'm doing that to hack with you all. But what else is going on this weekend? We have MLH Fellowship, which is a summer program that begins May 30th. MLH Fellowship is like an internship alternative. It is a 12-week program where you learn production level skills. You can contribute to open source projects, programs, and work 100% remotely. So it's like a very, very fun program, and we have amazing sponsors. So make sure that you check it out at hackp.ac/mlh fellowship. Now, anything else that I need to know to be successful this weekend? Okay, let's sum it up. Uh, what all happened? We know that we have certain tools. We know that we have fun activities. We know what our prizes are. We know that we have to connect to Discord. What else is left? Hmm. Even I don't know what else is left. Just kidding. We want you to submit a demo. So, no matter if your project is complete or incomplete, whatever the progress is, make sure that you demo your project and you earn an iDemo sticker. MLH iDemo, like, I see, like, this is such a creative design, and you'll only get it exclusively for high school hacks. So, we get a very different iDemo sticker at every different hackathon. So, I want this. Now show off whatever you built, regardless of your project. Uh, One of my first hackathons was actually an FPH, and my project wasn't that complete. Like, I wasn't sure about it, but I did demo it, and I ended up winning a prize. So I definitely recommend people to demo your project. It gives you a lot of confidence. It is fun, and you worked like for 48 hours on a project. So we definitely want to show it off that, hey, I did this. Now, how do I create a great demo? You can just make a 2-minute demo video. Just show us a screen recording of what you've built, not a set of slides. Just, hey, this is the project, this is how the website looks like, and just a screen recording of it. Even that's an amazing demo. And also include a link to a public code repo so that we can see your code. And finally, submit it at highschoolhacks.devpost.com by 10 a.m. Eastern Time Sunday. Again, the schedule is mentioned on the FAQs and at hackp.ac/highschoolhacks as well. So, in case you missed out on anything, you will be able to check it out later. But on a serious note, on a very, very serious note, MLH hackathons are a safe space for everyone. By being at this event, you are agreeing to our code of conduct, which you can check out at mlh.io/code of conduct. TLDR, by being at this event, you are agreeing to it, and MLH does not appreciate any form of harassment or uh, abuse. In case you feel uncomfortable, in case there's anything that happened that you want to report it, MLH coaches are active at all times. If you're not able to get a hold of us, you can email us at incidents@mlh.io. And yeah, we just want to make sure that you have fun, and hackathons are a place where you feel safe. So make sure that your fellow hackers do that too. And let's keep in touch. Make sure that you have fun and build something amazing, and let everyone know that you are hacking this weekend. So you can use hashtag HighSchoolHacks at MLH Hacks. Make sure that you tweet it out, and I will be finding all of those tweets and retweeting them and interacting with you on Twitter as well. So we will have like a fun thing on social media. Uh, but my advice for you is, in the end, just make sure that you use these 48 hours to team up, have fun, meet people, build something, be creative as much as you want to, and just in general have fun. That's have fun is the key important thing. Rest of the things keep happening and you end up building something amazing and demoing it. So we encourage you to use the team building channel to find yourself a team or teammates in case you don't have them. And also we have the team formation activity on Discord starting in an hour. It could be an hour and 10 minutes. It starts at 10, sorry. It starts at 10. So it will be starting in an hour. Uh, Questions, concerns, not sure where to begin. We are starting a live Q&A right now. I'll go up in the chat. I see a lot of people chatting today. So I'll go up in the chat and find questions and answer them for you all. We have a lot of chat today. Wanted to know, can I make a project during this period in Julia and Genie framework? Now, that's not a framework that I'm familiar with, but I think you can build in any framework that you want. There shouldn't be any restriction. Okay, so it's a productive web development with Julia. It's a web development framework. For sure, feel free to use it. As long as you're having fun, as long as you're building something, we are not restricting you to use certain type of frameworks. It's been a while since I've participated. Got to make an epic comeback. I am excited to see that. This is the first time I'm interacting with you, so let's see what do you do. How do we get to know our school points? I am not sure if you get to know what exact points you have for your school, but I will definitely, figure it out and reach out to you and let you know. How can I join? You can join this particular hackathon by registering on hackp.ac/highschoolhacks and joining our Discord server at discord.mls.io, and then find everything over there on our channels by using channels and roles, opting into high school hacks, and you have all the information over there. It's like I've been speaking like a tape recorder. Just give me 1 second. I tend to speak a lot. Um, Nishu said new activities looks fun. Yes, even I am excited to be a part of these activities. Uh, I am not able to register. It's like in a while loop saying checking connection is secure. Make sure that you try it again. And in case you feel this issue still exists, just raise a ticket on Discord so that we can sort it out for you. How do we get to know our school points? School. Okay, I think Arman, I already answered that. I am finding more questions. Season t-shirts for top three winners this time. I really want a season T. It's not currently mentioned here, so I'm not sure if we are doing the season t-shirts for top three winners. But if we are, I will, you know, ask my team and get back to you about it. So the theme for the hackathon is high school. Does that mean the project should aid high school students in some way? So basically, okay, theme for themes are not specifically restricting you to build something like that. It's just an inspiration. Make sure, like, if you want to build something around high school, for sure go with it. Otherwise, just try to explore and have fun. Just like I said, build anything you want, and make sure that you have fun in the end. What cam Okay, so my microphone is a good quality one. My camera is just like a webcam from my laptop, so it's because of the lighting that you think it's a good quality. Is coding required? I am not sure I understand, but I think you mean, is coding required to get into MLH? If you are talking about being a coach or a full-time employee, or if you're talking about being a part of the hackathon, just let me know what exactly the question is so that I can answer it well for you. And we will not be having season T's for this hackathon. Uh, so that's the question. Like, I think someone asked a question about that. Can I make something with robotics? For sure, do that. It's very, very interesting. I really like building hardware, and I recently used an ESP3 too. So I'm excited to see what you build. Part of the hackathon, so there are no code tools for you as well. You can definitely use them, and it's not very important to know, like, exactly know how to code. You just need to make sure how do you build something. There are a lot of no code tools, so you can, if you're a beginner, you can definitely start with that. Is there a rubric for hackathon projects? I'm not sure if I understand that. Can you elaborate a bit? I think if by rubric you mean the scoring guideline. Okay, how are the projects created? So the projects are created on your theme, creativity. There are a lot of factors that are considered, but in general, at any hackathon, it's if it's an innovative idea, what you've built, what your progress is, how is the technical capability of it, how the user experiences. These are the things that are generally evaluated at any uh, hackathon project. I'm just checking in case I missed out on any of the questions beforehand. All right. Do we have any more questions? I think I answered all of them before. In case I missed out on any of them, feel free to drop it in again. Why are hackathons the best and so much fun? It's just I get very excited when I talk about hackathons. You get to explore, like, you just have 48 hours and you're building a whole product from scratch. You get to meet a lot of people. There's this whole adrenaline rush to complete something in the end, and just have fun alongside. So it's just the best thing to do on a weekend. What's the brand of your mic? It's Samsung Q2U, if I'm not wrong. I don't know what exactly is the type of the mic called, but it's not a condenser mic, because condenser mic picks up every single sound in the background. So this is the noise cancellation one. That's how it works in a joint family. There is a trophy for school points. Yes, the school or college or university which gets the highest number of points and gets a season end trophy from us. They are so much fun. I love them. Yes, for sure. Wanted to know, can I start embarking on my project yet, or is there still room for some delays? There's no room for any delays. You can start working on your project for sure. Uh, so I think I'll be hanging around for like 2 or 3 more minutes and then ending the stream. If we have any more questions, I'll be happy to answer them, or else I'll be seeing you on Discord for the entire weekend. Happy hacking, and I'm hanging around for 2 3 more minutes to answer any questions if I by chance left them. Feel free to ask it. Let me scroll up and see in case. I like how hackers are interacting with each other and already mentioning answers, so I don't have to answer all of the questions for you, which is fun. All right, so I don't think we have any more questions. Happy hacking, everybody. I will be ending the stream, and make sure that you join team formation in case you have any more questions, in case you want to interact with folks even more and form new teams and work with them for the weekend. I'll be seeing you soon on Discord for sure.